Everyone, welcome back to Use and Fix, where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix community guidelines violation on TikTok. If you're having problem with community guidelines violation on TikTok, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. We're going to try a few methods starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end. One of these is bound to work. Let's start with the quickest fix, airplane mode. Go ahead and turn it on from a notification bar or control center. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. Then try logging in into TikTok again. You'd be surprised how often this simple trick does the job. Next, let's check if there is an update available for TikTok on your App Store or Play Store. Go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, then search for TikTok and then see if there is an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures that you have all the latest bug fixes and improvements. If updating didn't help, it's time to clear a case. Go ahead and open your settings, then search app, then click on the option of app, then scroll down until you see the option of TikTok, then click on the option of TikTok, then scroll a bit down and you see the option of storage. And now on the bottom right of your phone, you'll see the option of clear cache. So hit the option of clear cache. Now this clears out old data that might be causing issues on your phone. If you're on iPhone, the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app, which we'll get into in a second. And if none of that helped, go ahead and delete the app TikTok from your phone, then reinstall it with all the latest files and improvements. In many cases, this is the final fix that solves stop on login problems, and there you go. One of these methods should have helped you get back into your TikTok account. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.